Microwave experiments time. Okay guys, I know there's a lot of such experiments on YouTube, but what if I put today something else in microwave, like liquid nitrogen, or an Oobleck, or your favorite face bank? So let's prepare some Oobleck. This time it's really cool, it's solid and it's soft, as it should be. So let's see what's gonna be with it in microwave. Looks like nothing happens to it, it's not boiling, it's not moving, nothing at all. Oh wait, look at the edges, it's kind of up now. So let's just turn that off and see what we have here. It looks like kind of cake and smells like cake. Maybe it is? Let's cut it and see what's inside. Well, it only smells like cake. I always was curious what would happen if I put something hot in the fridge. Today I'll do something vice versa. I'll put a liquid nitrogen in a microwave. What would be stronger, guys? How do you think? Liquid nitrogen or a microwave? Looks like none. And nitrogen is still cold. This plate even just a little warm. Also, my microwave is not frozen, it's okay. Just to show you that nitrogen is still cold, put some water in. And the last one is a face bank. You saw guys, I've done a lot of things with it, like just look at what inside and much more you can see on my channel. So let's do this. Goodbye my little friend. Whoa, have you just seen that? Just look at its eyes, it's burning. It looks like it's vaping inside. Holy, look at this. Is it flame? It is, it is. Looks like time to stop this. So let's check how it is. Just look at these holes, it's the place where an engine inside. Just gonna check its mouse. Where's the vape? That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.